Let's go ahead and talk about the new meta of crypto and what people are dumping money into. And if you don't know how to trade or invest in these properly, you're absolutely going to get wrecked because crypto treasury companies do not operate the same. They don't. Okay. When we see altcoin season, number goes up, everybody is happy. But with these crypto treasury companies, generally they're like large NASDAQ listed companies that decide to either issue traditional financial instruments, to raise fiat, to buy a crypto asset, or just go raise money or take a bunch of their money and buy one of these finite assets or just whatever it is in general. But some of them are not performing well. And if you do not pay attention to the right ones, you're going to absolutely get wrecked. For example, it came out that Safety Shot establishes Bonk Corporate Treasury a $25 million token allocation. They're NASDAQ listed wellness drinks. Their ticker is SHOT, SHOT. And they plan to acquire 4 to 5% of the total Bonk supply. And they also want to integrate the company with the Memecoin ecosystem. They hold 15 million in cash reserves. And on this news, their stock dumped 50%. Yes, you heard that correctly. 50%, which is a big difference from Ethereum treasury company Bitmine. They're going to raise as much as 20 billion to buy more Ethereum. And they already hold 5 billion in Ethereum and they want to have 5% of the supply. And they're probably going to become the second largest crypto treasury company in the world. So what does all of this stuff mean? Well, right now we're starting to see a big shift from Solana Memecoins, hence the Safety Shot Bonk Corporate Treasury dumping the stock. And in addition to that, there was another article that came out stating Solana Memecoins slump as investors rotate into Ethereum and quality focused altcoins. Basically, Solana memes have lost about 8.5% in value. Top memes are underperforming, and investors are rotating again into quality focus assets like Ethereum and other top alts. And Ethereum has gained about 47% this month. Generally, when Ethereum starts to pump, we see like the altcoin season happen. But the moral of this story is that the meta is shifting. Meme coins are great; they do really well. Everything is fun, and fantastic. Well, not really, unless you know how to trade those properly, because there's a lot of craziness happen. There's a little bit more manipulation than with other cryptos or with any other assets. Yes, even stock. But moral of the story is right now the treasury companies are hot. People are paying attention to those. People are trading those stocks. People are trading those like tier 3 and 4 risk assets where you want to take profits super fast. But unfortunately, the stock shot, Safety Shot, that dumped crazy because they added a meme coin to their treasury, which I get, but at the same time, and I'm not saying anything about bad about Bonk and other meme coins. I'm just simply saying that a lot of these coins don't necessarily have the same utility as a project like Ethereum, okay, or even Solana, XRP, etc. So just be really careful when you guys are investing and you're playing around with this type of stuff. The crypto might pump based on this news, but the stock might dump, and there is money to be made in a lot of these crypto treasuries. But again, always practice risk management and be safe.